This year, to help keep our Panther family healthy, we have made some changes to our library procedures. To start with, we have to limit the amount of students in the library at one time. You can help by deciding which book you want before coming to the library and letting Mr. Hatfield know so he can have it ready for you. To browse the Destiny Discover catalog from any computer at home or at school, go to the Madison County website and search schools. Go to Madison Middle School. On the Madison Middle School's page, click Library Media Center. At the top of the page, this will bring you to the library page. It has lots of information about the library, including how to contact Mr. Hatfield. In the middle of the page, click on the Destiny Discover Online Catalog button. This will bring up the Destiny Discover catalog. It has a lot of great information and resources for students and parents that our regular catalog doesn't provide. You can always tell if a book is available if it has a green in triangle at the top of the corner of the book cover. A red out triangle means that the book is not available, but you can request it. I'll explain how to do so later in the video. At the top of the page are newly arrived books. If I click See All at the top of the right side of the screen, it will bring up a list of all the books that have recently been added. Let's look at The Mighty Heart of Sonny St. James. This is a book that I look forward to reading this year. Do you see the gray arrow that says log in to access all features of this book? This gives you a lot of cool stuff that you can do within the Destiny Discover catalog. It's easy to log in. You just have to use your school email address and password. Now you have some more options, such as putting the book on hold. This will keep anyone from checking the book out for a week so you can pick it up. Also, if the book is checked out and you put a hold on it, no one will be able to check it out when it is returned except for you. You can also add a review for this book that other students can read. Let others know what you liked or didn't like about the book and why. Suppose you like a book and you wanted to see other books that cover the same topics. Check the Explore button. Also on the right side, you might see some suggestions based on your interest in this book that you would like to check out. What if the book is lost and you don't want to wait till Mr. Hatfield replaces it? If you click the copies, you'll see other schools in the district that do have the same book. Mr. Hatfield might be able to ask the librarian at Clark Moores or Cottle if he can borrow the book for you to check out. Lastly, you can see if the book has won any awards. The Mighty Heart of Sonny St. James is part of the Junior Library Guild selections. If you don't know what you want, but do know that you like graphic novels or other genres of books, you can browse by these topics. This will bring up all the books in that genre. If we go down the page, you'll see that there are also ebooks, audiobooks, and interactive books available. You can read or listen to those books from your computer or Chromebook at home or at school. If you're searching for books, the search bar is at the top of the page. Suppose you have a project and you need to research mummies. Type in the search bar and you can see everything that the library has that deals with mummies. Let's look at the e-book on ancient Egypt. I can read it right from my computer. In the left corner is the menu. I can search for terms in the menu and look at the table of contents. If I click on that topic, it takes me to that page. Notice the icons in the top right corner. This will read the book to me. I can even speed up or slow down the rate of the reader. It's pretty cool. Once you find what you want to check out, you need to let me know what that is. The best way to do that is by sending me an email. Remember, when I said that on the library page is how to contact me, that's where my email address is. You can also call the library from your teacher's phone if you have permission. My email and number are both on that page and also at the end of this video. I look forward to working with you this year, even though we have to make some changes to stay healthy.